So one of the things that you can work with is Astrology Birth Chart GPT. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here and type in, let's say for example, Astrology right here. So once you go around and do that, you can see that Astrology Birth Chart GPT is an option around over here as well. If I were to go around and click and start the chat right here, then what you can do is you can go around and ask your birth chart. Let's say for example, you can ask like, what does my birth chart say right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can see that it actually goes around and asks your birth date right here. Let's say for example, my birth date is 1988 Jan 14 night 1:20 a.m. Night 1:20 a.m. in Yangon City right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and actually give out the detail right here, just like this, then I can go around and confirm Astrology GPT to actually get my access. And now you can see that this is what you have right here. So it says, based on your birth chart, here is an overview of your astrological influences. And it gives you the astrological details, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have: Sun in Capricorn, Moon in Scorpio, and so forth right here, and gives you all of the details, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can see that you can go around and do some astrology consultation right here, just like this as well. And this is what you have. So these are just a few highlights, and it even gives you more highlight on birth chart right here, and visit the Astrology Authority website as well. So that is how you can work around with the Astrology Birth Chart GPT inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.